Excavation is a crucial process in construction and civil engineering projects. Before starting any excavation, it is important to conduct a site survey, obtain necessary permits, and identify potential hazards. Developing a detailed excavation plan and selecting the right equipment are also essential. During excavation, proper site preparation, marking of boundaries, and removal of topsoil are key steps. Support and shoring may be required for safety, and monitoring soil stability is crucial. Safety measures such as PPE, access control, and emergency response plans must be in place. After excavation, backfilling, site restoration, and disposal of materials are necessary. A final inspection should be conducted before closing the excavation.